whether you're going this track or that track or this track. For example, you want understanding, you're going to go to Sanskrit, Hindi, Tamil, Marathi. So therefore it does not matter right now. Ultimately I'll be teaching you along the line, right? Sound meditation, unpleasant sound meditation, smell meditation, taste meditation, so many meditation. There are 118 techniques in meditation. It's like asanas. Alright, for example, asana. Hey, should I do Bhujangasana, Salabhasana, Dhanurasana, Mayurasana, Kukutasana, Veerbhadrasana? All are asanas. So long in asana, sthira sukha asanam. That's the punchline. आसना का मतलब क्या? स्थिर होना चाहिए और सुख होना चाहिए. सुख मतलब आराम से करना और स्थिर से करना. Once you know sthira sukha, out of joy you do, that is asana. Whether you do makarasana or tolasana or bhujangasana, it does not matter. Sthira sukha asana. So to meditation, two things in meditation: to be at peace with what is, all of you, to be at peace with what is. Secondly is awareness. Like an asana, sthira sukhasanam is the main thing. Like in pranayama, ultimately you should inhale and exhale is pranayama. That's the base. Variation of pranayama is what? Surya Bheda, Chandra Bheda, Kundalini Pranayama, Bastika, Kapalabhati, Plavani, right? Anta Kumbhaka, Bahya Kumbhaka, Murcha. These are all variation. But ultimately, Shwasa Prashwasa Gati, Shwasa Prashwasa Yoho Gati Vichedaha Pranayama. That's the core. Are you getting, sir? Are you getting, Subhash? That's the core. Now, ultimately, in meditation, Sthira Sukhasanam, meditation to be at peace with what is, and meditation is awareness. Why you should get confused if you understand these two? Vipassana you are doing. What is that Vipassana? See, they may have explanation of Vipassana differently. Don't get into that. Buddha was same. Hinayana was one school, Mahayana was another school. So don't bother about the schools. Study the original. So therefore Hinayana. So Buddha Vipassana means what? Two. Anapanasati is the first. Just be aware of your breath. Inhale in. When you are aware of the breath, you are in the present. Then you are aware of the sensation, Vipassana, you are in the present. So awareness is being the present. And when you are present, Vipassana itself will take up. When you are present, you are at peace with what is, whatever sensation comes. So I will tell you along the line, unpleasant meditation, I will tell you, unpleasant sound meditation. You have to be at peace with what is, and you have to be aware. So where is the question of confused? Because clarity is missing. Now, see, whatever is clicking, go deep into it, okay? See, whatever is clicking to you, and if you are going deep and deep and deep, go ahead. Do a little homework. See, when Mullah Nasruddin Rai was asked this question, why every woman you meet, yeah? Why every woman you meet, you say you are the most beautiful? Mullah Nasruddin Sufi character, every woman he meets, he says most beautiful. Mullah said, what can I do? He says, every woman is more beautiful than the other woman. क्या झंझट में फट गया? अरे क्या भी beautiful woman शादी करो? And Malaysian Prime Minister says, marriage, right? COVID-19, Malaysia Prime Minister has said in one of the tweet thing there that COVID-19 is like marriage, it seems. COVID-19 is like wife, all right? They will be initially all, I don't know the exact word you go say. It is like wife, it seems. Initially all you have to control, fight, jagada. At the end of it, right, you have to get used to that fight. So like COVID-19 also is like that. So, but if you learn how to be at peace with it, sir, so don't get confused. Go think and go deep. See, Subhash, understand. You know little Hindi, no, right? Hindi and Urdu, you know little, no? Right? तेरे हर ख्याल है सरसरी, तेरे हर कमाल है ज़्याहरी, कोई दिल की बात करो तो क्या, तेरे दिल में आँख तो है ही नहीं. How beautifully said. Everything सरसरी, superficial. तेरा हर ख्याल है सरसरी, तेरे हर कमाल है ज़ाहरी. All your acts are दिखावा. कोई दिल की बात करो तो क्या, I want to say something from my heart, मगर आपका दिल में आग तो है ही नहीं. He says. So in other words, he says we are all superficial. इसलिए we get slipped. Don't be superficial, sir. Be deep. If you are deep, sir, anything you will take it deep. Dattatreya looked at an ant became a guru. Looked at a butterfly, and butterfly grew. And Duryodhana looked at Krishna, and he felt Krishna as an enemy. Lord Krishna as enemy. So deep होना चाहिए, सरसरी नहीं होना चाहिए, superficial नहीं होना चाहिए. Okay, can we all do a meditation right now? I'll give you many meditation, but understand, be at peace, one, and second is awareness. That knack if you get, right? And I will tell you in this program throughout, everything should become a meditation. Everything. Listening is a meditation. What do Jains call students, sir? Shravakan, Shravika, Jains call. आप खाना पकाता है उधर भी एक मेडिटेशन, स्नान भी मेडिटेशन. Where eating food, it is called Annapurneshwari Upasana. Are you getting, sir? Right?